Hi friends, today we will study food and where does it come from. We all eat various things like chapati, rice, fruits, vegetables, pulses, etc. Some of us also eat eggs, meat, chicken and fish. These are some examples of food. And anything which we eat to live is called as food. Food is defined as a substance eaten by us to do work, grow, maintain our body and remain healthy. And all living things need food to live. Thus, food is very precious and we should not waste food in any way. We eat different kinds of food at different times and on different days. Different people eat different food according to their lifestyle, habit, taste and availability. Some people eat food prepared from feed, pulses, vegetables and fruits, while some people eat rice preparations, and some people eat dishes made from eggs, meat, chicken and fish. A particular variety of food served as a part of meal is called as a dish, and any of the foods or substances which are combined to make particular dish are called as ingredients. The various food items or dishes are made up of more than one ingredients. Some dishes require few ingredients while some require more. Now let us see some common food items and their major ingredients. Food item like boiled rice requires rice and water as major ingredient. Chapati or roti requires flour and water. Vegetable curry requires vegetable, salt, spices, oil and water. Dal requires pulses, salt, spices, oil and water. Idli requires rice, urad dal, salt and water. Kheer requires rice, milk and sugar. Omelette requires eggs, salt, spices and oil. Chicken curry requires chicken meat, salt, spices, oil and water. Mutton curry requires mutton, salt, spices, oil and water. And fish curry requires fish meat, salt, spices, oil and water as major ingredient. The food ingredients like rice, flour, vegetables, pulses etc. come from plant source. On the other hand, food ingredients like milk, ghee, eggs, chicken etc. come from animal source. The main sources of our food are plants and animals. Plant source consists of foods like food grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables, oils, sugar, etc. While animal sources consist of food ingredients like milk, eggs, chicken, meat, fish and honey. Plant parts as food. The different parts of plants which are used as food materials by us are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Plant roots. Some plants store food in their roots, which are actually modified roots. We eat the roots of such plants as food. For example, carrot, radish, beet, sweet potato and turnip. Plant stems. Some plants store food in their stems, which are actually modified underground stems. We eat the stems of such plants as food. For example, onion, potato, ginger, garlic and turmeric. Plant leaves. There are many leafy vegetables we eat. Leafy vegetables are the leaves of the plants. For example, spinach or palak, leaves of mustard plants or sarson ka saag, cabbage, lettuce and fenugreek or methi. Flowers. Flowers of some plants are eaten as food. For example, flowers of banana plant and flowers of pumpkin plant. Some other flowers which are eaten as food are sunflower, gladiolus, dandelion and jasmine. Fruits. Some plants store their food in fruits. We eat fruits of such plants. For example, apple, orange, mango, pears, banana, grapes, guava, etc. Vegetables such as tomatoes, brinjal, lady's finger, pumpkin and chili, etc. are actually the fruits of their respective plants. Seeds. Some plants store food in their seeds and we eat the seeds of these plants like wheat, maize, rice, millet, Bengal gram or chana, peas and pulses. Similarly, groundnut, mustard and soybean are also seeds. Some plants have two or more edible parts which can be eaten as food. For example, mustard plant, whose leaves are used as leafy vegetables and seeds are used to extract mustard oil. It is important to know that all plants around us are not edible, and some of the plants are even poisonous. Sprouts. When seeds begin to germinate by developing tiny roots, they are called as sprouts. Sprouts contain more of vitamin A, B and C than seeds, which makes them a more nutritious food. Making of sprouts from seeds is called as sprouting. Animal products as food. An important animal product which is used as food is milk. Milk can be used for drinking or converting it into milk products like curd, butter, ghee, cheese, paneer, etc. Other animal products which are used as food are eggs, chicken, mutton, fish, etc. Another animal product which is used as food is honey. Honey bees collect nectar from flower and convert it into honey. The food we eat comes from plant source and animal source. If we study minutely, we will see that even animal food comes from the plants. For example, cow gives us milk, which eats grass as food. Eggs which comes from hens, which eats grains as food. Now let us see, what do animals eat? Human beings eat plant foods like cereals, grains, vegetables and fruits, as well as animal food like milk, eggs, chicken, fish, etc. Thus, human beings eat a large variety of food, but the animals eat only a few types of food. Some animals eat only plant materials, while some eat flesh of other animals, whereas some animals eat both plant food as well as flesh of the other animals. Food producers and consumers. Plants do not eat food like animals do. The green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide. Since plants can make their own food, they are called as producers. Plants not only make food for themselves, they also provide food for animals and human beings, like grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. Animals cannot make their own food, and they depend on plants or other animals for food, and hence they are called as consumers. Animals as consumers. As animals cannot make their own food, they depend on other plants and animals. Based on what animals eat, they are classified into three types: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores are the animals which eat only plants. For example, goat, cow, horse, deer, elephant, giraffe, rabbit, etc. Carnivores are the animals which eat only other animals. For example, lion, tiger, frog, vultures, snake, seal, etc. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants as well as other animals. For example, human beings, dogs, cat, pig, sparrow, hen, bear, etc.